That man refers to his own people as niggers, thugs, and bitches. That man smokes marijuana. That man loves to abuse alcohol.
Still I see no changes. Can a brother get a little peace? There's war on the streets and there's war in the Middle East. Instead of war on poverty, they got a war on drugs so the police can bother me. And I ain't never did a crime I ain't had to do. And now I'm back giving the facts, giving it back to you. Don't let them jack you up, back you up, crack you up, a pimp smack you up.
You all appreciate it.
Stephanie LaCapra, and I am playing Afeni Shakur.
Damn it, I need this job, Willie.
Sister, we all do. I have no choice. I gotta let you go. Haven't you heard? Ain't nobody hiring Black Panthers in New York for anything.
You're an Panther.
Was a
You got a job?
Was. Damn it, don't make this harder than it already is.
It's been a lot of secondary research, and there's a lot out there already on her in terms of, because she was a Black Panther, so she comes from a deep history that preceding that was the Civil Rights Movement, and preceding that was slavery, so all of that plays into who she is as a woman and the reason why she is so strong-willed and the reason why Tupac is as well so strong-willed. So all of that, I've been watching a lot of different documentaries and books, but all of it has kind of, the dots start to align and I start to realize who she is as a person, and then also infusing myself and my family and what I've gone through into her as a person.
Mama, when this album drops, hits #1, I'm gonna buy you a new car, I'm gonna buy you a brand new house, I'm gonna buy you a big car.
You just buy me dinner. It's you, Tupac. You be careful out there, you be prepared, son. Oh, your star's gonna rise because of who you are and who I am. Government and the media and the police are gonna take a special interest in you. I guarantee your big mouth ain't gonna help matters either. But you go on and say what you need to say. And remember the cause, Tupac. Take care of your community.
So it's been a journey and I'm still learning. Every single day I'm picking up something new in regards to it, but everything that I've picked up so far has helped me along her journey.
Down, baby, hands on my pistol, listen. I'm about every nigga breathe and pay attention. About to show you motherfuckers how it feels to drop a body and sip a grip to my lifestyle. Illuminati. Yo, Machiavelli.